Yo, on this channel I'll be teaching you the most easiest way, most fun way for you to learn Mandarin Chinese. Yeah, now, let's start learning. Buckle up.
Hello everyone, welcome to lesson 38 of Mandarin Chinese. Today we are learning about the moon phases. A full moon is called Man Yue. Man Yue. A new moon is called Xin Yue. Xin Yue. A crescent moon is called Xian Yue. Xian Yue. Now let's review the words again. Man Yue. Xin Yue. Xian Yue. This is the end of today's lesson. Please remember to like, share, comment, and also to click the subscribe and notification button. See you next time. Goodbye.